Hello guys. Now I want to talk to you about our embed player, and the goal of the embed player is to have you share the files on your website or wherever you want, and then you will actually have the voiceovers and the subtitles so that people can choose. So let me show you. We click this, we choose on. I have French subtitles for this video and English subtitles. And if you also want voiceovers, we click convert to voiceover here. We choose the which translations we want. We click convert. And now here I choose French. I say synthesize audio. I choose the voice. Let's also have it in English. I choose the voice, I click synthesize audio. And now, when we click this, let's see.
Hello guys, I want to show you how you can create a Maestra account.
So I can change the voiceover
Ici,
here.
Dans le coin supérieur droit de notre page d'accueil, il y a un bouton qui dit commencer gratuitement.
Go ahead and click it. This is
I can
just a
also change
standard
the
account creation
subtitles.
page. If you want to create an account, manually type in your email address and
As the
password,
video goes on.
or you can just log in with a Gmail account, which is much
When you
easier.
come back to Maestra and make changes to the file, the player will apply the changes automatically, and the changes will be applied into your website. You don't really have to do anything else. So we copy this code, we click this, and then using this code we can post it on our website, for example, and that's it.